You have a vibe for an app. You describe it to an AI. But you get a mess of buggy code and wasted time. What if you could give your AI a conductor? A script that transforms your vague vibe into a perfectly orchestrated, production-ready application, faster and cheaper. Don't just vibe, build. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. Building apps with AI using natural language, or vibe coding, sounds like a dream. But the reality is often a painful loop of vague prompts and trial and error, wasting time and money. The Lovable platform is powerful, but translating our ideas into instructions it truly understands is the real challenge. What's missing is an intelligent layer in between, a conductor. This entire workflow is powered by the principles in the github.com/c/202/lovable-for-beginners repository. This free course is the ultimate guide to mastering Lovable vibe coding, teaching you how to build full-stack apps with AI. Our Orchestrator script internalizes these lessons, acting as an AI coach that automatically applies best practices for prompt specificity, context, and iterative building, turning the guide's theory into your reality. To solve this, we'll develop an intelligent Lovable vibe coding orchestrator. The core prompt instructs our meta agent to optimize user requests, manage context, analyze responses, and incorporate best practices from the Lovable for beginners guide, turning high-level ideas into precise, vibe coding instructions. We start by configuring our environment, setting up the Gemini API key, and initializing the model. We then define Lovable_context_prompt, which teaches our script the essential vibe coding best practices from the Lovable for beginners guide. Next, we simulate the Lovable platform. This function creates mock responses to our prompts, letting us develop and test our orchestrator's logic for Lovable's agent and chat modes without needing a live API connection. Here's the magic. This function uses Gemini to upgrade a user's vague idea into a perfect, detailed, vibe coding prompt, automatically applying expert techniques to get better results from Lovable. To ensure our AI has a memory, this class stores the full conversation history. It keeps track of user requests, AI responses, and maintains a constantly updated summary of the project's status. After our simulated Lovable response, this function uses Gemini to analyze the output. It explains what Lovable did, highlights hidden questions, and suggests the smartest next steps for the user. The main loop brings everything together. It orchestrates the entire process, taking input, optimizing the prompt, simulating interaction, analyzing the response, and guiding the user forward, making app building efficient and intelligent. And there you have it. We've transformed the chaotic, manual process of vibe coding into a guided, intelligent workflow. By acting as an orchestrator, our Python script ensures prompts are perfect, context is maintained, and development is faster and cheaper. You're no longer just prompting, you're conducting. Subscribe for more AI-powered coding solutions. Did you vibe code smarter today?